So in the last video we did questions 66 through 67, which included plotting in the data points for this data table over here on the left, and it also included for 67 to draw a line of best fit, which showed the progress. Now in this video we will actually get into actual math, and we will be doing 68 and 67, which is technically one question since it is asking for one thing. If we read the question, it says calculate the mass of the runner. So we can start off by going to our givens part and putting m equals question mark, since that is what we are trying to find. Next, we can use the previously found information. We can just do v, or speed, velocity or speed, is equal to 2 meters per second. Then we can go to kinetic energy. So in 2 meters per second, it is going to be 140. Kinetic energy is going to be 140 joules. So 140 joules. Next, we know that the equation for kinetic energy is Ke, or kinetic energy, equals 1/2 mass times velocity squared. So we can just use this equation, plug in all of the values, and then just isolate the m to get our final answer, or the mass. So we can start off by plugging in the values, which is 140 joules. It's going to be equal to 1/2 mass. Well, mass we just leave as m, since it was what we were trying to find, and velocity 2 meters per second, and we square that. Next, the next step that I will say to do is just to square the 2, since it's going to be 4, so it's going to be 140 joules equals 1/2 mass time, and then 2 times 2 is going to be 4 meters squared divided by second squared, and that's in parentheses. Next, we can just, in my opinion, we could just divide by 4 to both sides. So to bring the 4 to this side, the 4 meters per second squared to both sides, we put it right there. We put by 4 meters per, well, I'm not gonna put the units since it will just waste time. So 4, well, there we go. To not get confused, I'm not going to put the units. But if you divide 140 by 4, it's going to be 35. I'm going to leave the units out of this for now to not get confused. It's 1/2 m. The only thing that we need to move over to the left side right now is the 1/2. So we're going to multiply times 2. So times 2 and times 2 to the left side. 2 times. And we are going to get 70 equals mass. The units for mass is of course always going to be 70 kg, so it's going to be kg. So we're going to do mass equals 70 kg, and that is going to be our final answer.